What's up, guys? If you saw the last video, we worked on the toolpath for setup 1. One thing I forgot to tell you is to change the name of the toolpath to setup 1. That way you can differentiate between your different toolpaths and you're not confused when you have 6. So for this next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to do the toolpath for setup 2. So first what you're going to do is go to WCS and select setup 2 and hit OK. Next, you're going to right-click Machine Group, drop down to Groups, and hit New Toolpath Group. And before you do anything, you can name it Setup 2. That way you don't forget. Now, I'm going to use the Google Docs, which you should use too. Nice link right here to the Toolpath Docs, which I created. I'm going to scroll down all the way to Setup 2. Now, for Setup 2, we're going to be working with this front slot right here. But you'll notice that the chain is open here. I've so kindly shown you where you need to draw in the continued chain in order to have a complete slot. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go to Circle, but you're going to drop down and you're going to hit Create Arc Endpoints. You're going to select this point. You can zoom in if you need to. This point and this point. And the diameter is going to be 0.27. And then you select this side and it keeps it. Gonna do the same thing over here. This point and this point. Drop down 0.27, hit OK, and hit check. Now you have the circle parts of your arc. But you also need the top part here. That's a simple fix. Just go to line, draw a line from here to there. Now you have your continuous chain going all the way around. So for the setup, you're going to start a toolpath, and it's going to be a contour. And for the chain, you're going to start there, click around the circle, the complete bottom line, that there, zoom in, and get the last part of the chain, and hit select. For the tool here, go to Google Docs. Google Docs says quarter flat end mill. Oh look, you already have one. Cut parameters. Let's see what Google says. Cut direction, compensation direction on and to the right. So let's do that. Oh look. So let's turn it back on the computer and have it to the right. Depth cuts you actually do need on, as it said. Actually, no, you don't. I'm sorry. Google Docs says you don't need it on. Let me double check that. Yep. Depth cuts and lead in, lead out off. Linking parameters. Let's go back. Depth negative 0.25. So let's get rid of that one. 2.5 and hit check. Run the operation. Let's see if we did it correctly. Look at that cut. That is beautiful. To see if you want to now, you can hit Machine Group and select the cuts for setup 1 and for setup 2 and run them all at once. So now you have your pocket, your name, the hole, and the slot cut out. Now if I do say so myself, that is one nice cut. And in the next few lessons, you're going to get everything. You're going to get the slot here. The overhang's going to get drilled out, which is why you have this, so you don't have to worry about it. You're going to get the L. It's going to look really nice when you're done. But anyway, that was setup 2. Nice and easy for you. So I'll see you in the next video where we go over setup 3.